Today, we're going to sculpt one of the most iconic ghost-type Pokémon ever created, Gengar, but with a much darker and more terrifying twist using clay art. At first glance, Gengar looks both funny and creepy at the same time. Its body is round and covered in deep purple skin, with glowing red eyes and a massive grin stretching across its face. That smile is what makes Gengar unforgettable. It always looks like it knows something you don't. Sharp ears point upward from its head, while spikes run down its back like shadows frozen into solid form. Its arms and legs are short with only 3 fingers and toes, and behind it sits a tiny stubby tail. Even though its design is simple, Gengar gives off an unsettling energy that feels perfect for a horror version. But Gengar is much scarier than it looks. One of its most famous abilities is hiding inside shadows. According to Pokémon lore, Gengar can disappear into the darkness of almost any object or person, becoming nearly invisible. Imagine walking alone at night and suddenly realizing your shadow is moving differently from you. That is exactly the kind of fear Gengar loves to create. It quietly waits in the dark, watching its target panic before revealing itself with that terrifying smile. Its body also absorbs heat from the surrounding area, causing the temperature nearby to suddenly drop. In some Pokédex entries, the air around Gengar can become cold enough to make people shiver instantly. In the anime, Gengar is even capable of flying through walls and possessing humans or other Pokémon. Its signature move, Nightshade, traps enemies inside horrifying illusions and darkness, making it one of the most feared ghost Pokémon in existence. There are also many fascinating facts about Gengar that make it even more legendary within the Pokémon franchise. Ken Sugimori, one of the original Pokémon designers and the main art director of the series, once revealed that Gengar is actually his favorite Pokémon. That says a lot about how memorable and unique the character truly is. Gengar was also one of the very first Pokémon ever shown battling on screen. In both the original Pokémon games and the anime opening scenes, Gengar appeared fighting against Nidorino, creating one of the most iconic moments in Pokémon history. Some fans even believe Gengar's design originated from an older concept series called Capsule Monsters, an early predecessor to Pokémon itself. Another strange detail is that Gengar once had the levitate ability, allowing it to float above the ground, yet in Pokémon X and Y it strangely could not participate in sky battles. Even the game's own rules seemed confused about Gengar. Its typing is also incredibly unique. Gengar and its previous evolutions are the only Pokémon family to combine both ghost and poison types together, making them stand out among hundreds of other creatures. Fans have also long noticed the similarities between Gengar and Alakazam. Both are final stage evolutions that require trading, both can mega evolve, and both are vulnerable to each other's strongest attacks. In the anime, giant versions of Gengar and Alakazam even fought in an unforgettable battle. Perhaps the creepiest theory about Gengar comes from later Pokédex entries suggesting that Gengar may have once been human. That small detail completely changes how people view this Pokémon, turning it from a mischievous ghost into something far darker and tragic. And that is exactly why Gengar is the perfect character for a horror clay creation. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support the channel and help motivate me to create more terrifying Pokémon sculptures in the future.